For this year, we will have another two new models for you. It's called Doogee X90L and Doogee X90. So let's have a look at this one. This is with a big screen ratio, as we can see at the first side, and also with a water drop screen. So this phone is X90L that we are majorly designed it for the young people group. And then at first that we can see the back covers. So we do a gradient back covers for these models. For the first one, it will be it's called Phantom Purple. It's from the deep purple to the lighter purple. And another one is the midnight black. And this one is another gradient colors, but the gradient is not from the top to the end. It's from the side to the middle. So we can see in the side is the black, and in the middle it will be the green. So we call it emerald green for this one. So for these models, it's with the 6.1-inch HD resolution for the water drop screen. It's with the 88% screen ratio for this model. And this is the CPU we are using it for the 6739. And for the real camera is using the Samsung 8-megapixel dual camera with the 5-megapixel for the assistance. For the front, we are using a 5-megapixel camera in the front. And also the memory for doing this X90L model, we are doing for the 3GB plus 16GB for the storage. And then the battery for this model, it reached to 3,400 milliamperes. For the real, there is a real fingerprint sensor on the back. And this phone we will be adopt the Android 9 system as well. So for the X90L, we have another one is the X90. For the appearance, these two models is quite similar, but actually there is a little bit for the size is is different. And then this model is lower end, and then it also using the 6.1 water drop screen. But for the CPU, it's not with the 4G, but it's with 3G. It's using the MTK65A0A for the chipset. For the camera, it's using the same as the X90L. It's dual 8-megapixel at the back and 5-megapixel in the front. But for the memory, we have been lower it. It's to the 1GB plus 16GB for this one. And for the fingerprint, we have put it in the back. We moved it from the back, so there is no fingerprint at the back. They are only using the face unlocking for this model. But for the battery, it's using the 3,400 milliamperes. And also for the system we use is using the Android 9 for these models. So this model comes with 3 colors, but today we didn't bring the golden colors to here, so that we can see there is the black and the deep blue, and another one is the golden color. It's quite similar to the BL5500. So for the X90L, this one will be published at the middle of the March, and for the X90, then it will be published at the end of March.